I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the fifth schedule of the Constitution.
That was the administration of oath of allegiance on the newly inaugurated members of the Ogun State House of Assembly. Other principal officers include Honorable Yusuf Sharif Abiodun as Majority Leader, Bashir Oladujoye as Deputy Majority Leader, Atinuke Bello as Chief Whip, while Shola Adams will serve as Deputy Chief Whip, while Ganiyu Oyedeji as Minority Leader. Jemili Akingbade is the Minority Whip, and Musefiu Olatuju now Deputy Minority Whip. The Speaker and his deputy promised to collaborate with the State Governor to deliver the dividends of democracy to the people while not compromising the welfare of members.
Leaders that we shall cooperate with our government to bring dividend of democracy to the table of our people. I shall, as the primus inter pares among my colleagues, ensure that their welfare is adequately taken care of.
My promise is not to compromise on any issue that pertains to the welfare of my colleagues.
The Ogun State Governor, Prince Dapo Abiodun, who was represented by the Deputy Clerk of the House, assured the people of Ogun State of a robust collaboration between the executive and the legislative arm of government for the overall development of Ogun State.
It is provided in Subsection 1 of Subsection 105 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that the person elected as governor of the state shall have power to issue a proclamation for the holding of the House of Assembly of the state after he has been sworn in.
The governor had earlier dissolved the 8th session of the Ogun State House of Assembly. The Speaker, Kunle Oluomo, and the Deputy Speaker, Dari Kadiri, were elected unopposed by the 26-member House. The Speaker, Kunle Oluomo, represents Ifo One State constituency